I want to show you guys how I create my own fragrances using oil from oilperfumery.com. So the first thing you're going to need is the oil of your choice. Second thing that you're going to need is a label maker. Got this from Amazon. Third thing that you're going to need are empty fragrance bottles, also from Amazon, and alcohol. Don't buy this from Amazon. Costs too much. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is use the dropper to place the oil in the bottle. I like mine to be really strong, so I'm going to use more oil than alcohol. If you don't like it as strong, you can use more alcohol and less oil. But this is one of my favorite DIYs. I get so many compliments when I wear this, the same amount of compliments that I get when I wear the real thing. And if you see in the beginning of the video, oh, also you want to shake up the bottle really good and add your label maker. The very first one that I made was the Tom Ford Bitter Peach one that I showed in the beginning of the video, and when I tell you it smells exactly the same, thank me later.